Essential tools for training your best friend. Every dog owner wants a well-behaved companion, a dog that listens, follows commands, and behaves appropriately in various situations is a joy to have around. Training is key to a happy and harmonious relationship with your furry friend. It not only helps in managing your dog's behavior, but also strengthens the bond between you and your pet. While positive reinforcement methods are always encouraged, some tools can aid in the training process. Treats, clickers, and toys are commonly used to reward good behavior and encourage learning. Dog training collars with remotes are one such tool, offering a way to communicate with your dog during training sessions. These collars can provide gentle corrections or signals to guide your dog. These collars can be particularly helpful for distance training or for dogs who may not respond well to traditional methods alone. They allow you to maintain control and provide guidance even when your dog is off-leash. However, it's important to understand the different types of training collars available and how to use them responsibly and humanely. Some collars offer vibration or sound signals, while others may have static correction options. Always start with the lowest setting and observe your dog's reaction. Consult with a professional trainer if you're unsure about the best approach for your dog. Remember, the goal is to enhance communication and build trust, not to instill fear or discomfort. With the right tools and techniques, you can create a positive training experience for both you and your best friend. Understanding dog training collars with remotes. Dog training collars with remotes, often called e-collars, are devices designed to provide a clear and consistent signal to your dog during training. These tools are particularly useful for reinforcing commands and correcting unwanted behaviors, ensuring that your dog understands what is expected of them. They consist of two main components: a collar that fits around your dog's neck, and a handheld remote control that you operate. The collar is usually adjustable to fit dogs of various sizes, and the remote is designed to be user-friendly, with buttons and settings that are easy to navigate. The remote sends a signal to the collar, which then delivers a sensation to your dog. This sensation acts as a prompt, helping your dog to associate the signal with a specific command or behavior. These sensations can range from vibrations and tones to static stimulation. Vibrations and tones are often used for gentle reminders, while static stimulation can be used for more serious corrections. The type and intensity of the sensation can be adjusted to suit your dog's individual sensitivity and the training situation. This customization ensures that the training is both effective and humane, allowing you to communicate with your dog in a way that is clear and respectful. Proper use of these collars can lead to a well-behaved and happy dog, making training sessions more productive and enjoyable for both you and your furry friend. Shock collars versus e-collars. Key distinctions. It's important to distinguish between shock collars and e-collars, as they are often confused. Shock collars deliver a painful electric shock to the dog's neck, which can be cruel and harmful. E-collars, on the other hand, use static stimulation that is similar to the sensation of a TINS unit. When used correctly, e-collars are not designed to inflict pain, but rather to get the dog's attention or interrupt unwanted behaviors. How e-collars work. A humane approach to training. E-collars utilize a technology that delivers a mild static stimulation to the dog's neck through two contact points on the collar. This sensation is designed to be surprising but not painful. Think of it like a tap on the shoulder that gets your attention. The intensity of the stimulation can be adjusted to find the lowest level that your dog responds to, ensuring a humane and effective training experience. The benefits of e-collars' effective and responsible training. E-collars, also known as electronic collars or remote training collars, have become a popular tool among dog trainers and pet owners. They offer a way to communicate with your dog, especially in situations where verbal commands might not be effective. E-collars, when used correctly, can be valuable tools for training a variety of behaviors. They provide a consistent and immediate response, which is crucial for effective training. This consistency helps dogs understand the connection between their behavior and the trainer's commands. They can be particularly helpful for recall training, teaching dogs to come when called, even from a distance. This is especially useful in outdoor settings where distractions are plentiful. With an e-collar, you can ensure your dog's safety by reinforcing the recall command, making off-leash activities more enjoyable and secure. E-collars can also be effective in curbing unwanted behaviors like excessive barking, jumping, or chasing. These behaviors can be challenging to manage, but with the right approach, an e-collar can help redirect your dog's focus and encourage more desirable actions. The key is to use the e-collar as a communication tool, not as punishment. It's important to start with the lowest setting and gradually increase it only if necessary. This ensures that the dog is not overwhelmed and can learn in a stress-free environment. It's about teaching your dog what you want them to do, not just punishing them for what they shouldn't do. Positive reinforcement should always accompany e-collar training. Rewarding your dog with treats, praise, or playtime when they respond correctly helps build a positive association with the e-collar, making the training process more effective and enjoyable for both you and your dog. Choosing the right e-collar factors to consider. When choosing an e-collar, it's essential to select a reputable brand that prioritizes humane training methods. Look for collars with adjustable stimulation levels, a range of stimulation types, like vibration, tone, and static, and waterproof designs. Consider the size and temperament of your dog when choosing a collar, ensuring a comfortable and safe fit. It's recommended to consult with a professional dog trainer to determine the best type of e-collar for your dog and your training goals. Using e-collars safely and effectively. Tips for dog owners. Using an e-collar responsibly and effectively is crucial for your dog's well-being and the success of your training. Always start with the lowest stimulation level and gradually increase it until your dog responds. Pair the stimulation with a verbal cue or hand signal so that your dog associates the sensation with the desired behavior. It's important to use positive reinforcement methods alongside e-collar training, rewarding your dog with praise, treats, or toys when they exhibit the desired behavior. Addressing common concerns about e-collars. Some dog owners may have reservations about using e-collars, often due to misconceptions or misinformation. It's important to remember that e-collars, when used correctly, are not cruel or harmful. The sensation they deliver is designed to get the dog's attention and redirect their focus, not to inflict pain. Like any training tool, e-collars should be used responsibly and humanely. When used correctly, e-collars can be effective tools for training and improving communication with your dog. Training with compassion, positive reinforcement, and e-collars. E-collars should always be used as part of a balanced training approach that emphasizes positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement methods, such as rewarding desired behaviors with praise, treats, or toys, should form the foundation of your training program. E-collars can then be used as a supplemental tool to provide clear and consistent communication during training, helping your dog learn and understand your expectations more effectively. Remember, training should be a positive and rewarding experience for both you and your furry friend.